Adding cloud storage is a simple task in Command Center. From the navigation pane, expand Storage and then click Cloud. The Cloud Storage page is displayed. In the upper right of the page, click Add to add your cloud storage. Enter the details needed to add the cloud storage. Depending on the cloud storage vendor, the required options may vary. For vendor-specific options, please see documentation.commvault.com. From the type list, select the cloud vendor. We'll use Azure for this setup. In the name box, type the name for the storage. From the media agent list, select the media agent that will write the data to the cloud storage, or click the plus sign to create a new media agent. Select the desired storage class. Select a region. Commvault will populate the service host box with the default value for some of the vendors, or you can enter it manually. Choose the desired authentication type. We'll select access key and account name. From the credentials list, choose a predefined credential, or click the plus sign to create a new credential to access the cloud library. For specific information on credential requirements based on vendor and authentication type, see documentation.commvault.com. Type the name of an existing container that you want to use. Slide the Use Deduplication toggle key to the right to enable deduplication on the storage. Click Add to add the deduplication database location. From the media agent list, select the media agent associated with the deduplication database. In the deduplication database location box, type a path to the deduplication database on the selected media agent, or click the folder button to select a pre-existing deduplication database location. Click Add, then click Save.